This presentation provides an overview of DIVMO's mobile web apps for conferences and trade shows. No matter where we are or what we are doing, we have our smartphones with us. Did you know that 50% of all web searches take place using mobile devices? In the past 24 months, the number of people accessing the internet with smartphones has more than doubled. And the trend isn't slowing down anytime soon. We're forecasting 133 million smartphone users by 2014. If a website takes a long time to load and is difficult to read, visitors will move on to other websites that are mobile friendly. What does a traditional website look like on a smartphone? It's basically like reading a newspaper through a keyhole. The text is small, it's difficult to navigate, and the pages load very slowly. DIVMO has a mobile web application for conferences and trade shows. It has a touch-friendly navigation. The pages load quickly. It has features like click to call and several mobile resources. Let's take a look. On the main menu, we can look at the sponsors, we can look at exhibitors, we can take a look at the exhibit trade show floor and where all the booths are located. In this particular example, we can look at educational sessions. For example, let's take a look and see what are the sessions on 6/19. We'll look at, this is a dental convention. We can get information about the speaker, the location of where the session is being held, and details about the training session and seminars. Go back to the home page, and then we'll scroll down here and we'll look at the show information. We can get some information about the city where the conference is being held. And then also we can take a look at directions as well and how to get to the conference. Select this home icon to go back up to the top. And there could be a registration link, also a click to call link, and an email link, and also a SMS text link at the bottom there. So we'll click on change language. Supports multiple languages. This is the web app in Chinese. We'll take a look at it in Spanish as well. And then we can switch it back to English by selecting the English option. We support up to 37 different languages. What does this mean for your conference? Announcing DIVMO's conference affiliate program. The association receives a free fully functional DIVMO mobile app. Includes a directory listing for every member and exhibitor. And exhibitors can upgrade their directory listing to DIVMO dashboard for a fee. And we pay the association a 20% commission. Let's take a look at the DIVMO dashboard and compare it to a standard listing within the exhibitor's directory. The exhibitor's directory is organized by categories. So in this particular case, we selected the medical instruments, and we'll look at a standard listing. So this is basically loaded from a spreadsheet. The exhibitors can upgrade their listing by just simply following the instructions in the email. Now let's take a look at an upgraded listing in DIVMO dashboard. This is an upgraded listing. Notice it has a click to call, an email link, and a text link at the bottom, and it has several tabs that are located at the very bottom of the screen. For example, let's say I want to order up some brochures, put in my name and then put in my email. And what I can do is I can check off the various brochures that I want to have emailed to me. So I can check off the brochure on whitening trays and the whitening system, and then I can have those documents emailed to me. The other option is an application for a raffle or a giveaway. So for this particular example, I need to also put in my phone. Notice that it pre-populated my name and email from before, so it saves that information on my smartphone. Right now we're giving away a Toshiba TV, and then by putting in an activity code, for example the words demo, I get 5 tickets for the drawing. So if I sit through a 10-minute demo, I can get additional chances to win the TV. This is an example of coupons. So I just ordered a couple of coupons that I wanted emailed to me. And then also we have an appointment and reservation system. So for example, you can set up an appointment to meet up with a specialist. There's the times that are available. As times are booked, they are taken off the inventory. So I'm going to select 11:30 to 12 o'clock, and then I'm going to go ahead and book that. So that'll send me an email, and then it can add it automatically to my smartphone calendar and remind me before the event takes place, before the meeting takes place. Let's look at behind the scenes what the dashboard looks like. How do we create that DIVMO dashboard application that we were just looking at? So basically there's you set up your database, you have your fields, you import your data. This is done one time initially when we do the setup. And we can create accounts so that the businesses and the exhibitors can look at just their specific dashboard. But since I'm in here as an administrator, I can look at everybody's dashboard. We can search the businesses by letter, or we can do a keyword search as well. So in this particular case, we're going to bring up the dashboard for the demo that we looked at earlier, and that's Arctech Inc. It brings up the basic list, and this is what was loaded from the spreadsheet, and I can edit the information here. I can click on update, or I can go into the dashboard. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the dashboard by selecting this option here. You'll notice there's the tabs along the top. You can have up to 5 tabs, and you can customize each one of them. For example, the overview tab can have whatever it is I want to put in here. This is the content library, so these are the various items that applications that I can use. Over here I'm going to go ahead and customize it by changing the word overview to details. So I'll go ahead and save that, and then I'm also going to change the icon. So I'm going to pick a different icon from our icon library. And that's all you have to do the customizations. You select what application you want in the tab, and then you give the label. And then down here we can go ahead and highlight. This is our visual editor. It's like a word processor, and we can change the text, we can change the colors. Very intuitive and easy to work with. And then this is all instantly published to the web app, so everything I'm doing is instant. These are the documents. Real easy to add additional documents. You simply just upload them, give them a name, and then organize them however you want, and then the attendees at the conference can order up these brochures, so they don't have to carry those bags around with them with all the collateral. Here's the prizes. Here's the TV that we're giving away. You put in a quantity. You also can generate QR codes that you can put at your trade show booth, and then you can have the keywords, which we talked about earlier with the visit and demo. And what this does is it determines how many tickets you get. So based on the activity that we want to encourage, we can give more tickets if, let's say, they sit through a 10-minute demo. I'm going to go ahead and create a coupon here. Put in a 30% off coupon. I can add an overlay. An overlay is basically a graphic that appears in the corner of the picture right over here. It just kind of makes the coupon stand out a little bit. And we can select from over 5,000 pictures, or we can upload our own pictures. And then here's where we can look at the different redemptions. So these are people that have ordered up the coupons that we have available. This is the appointment system. So the first step is you put in specific dates or a range of dates. And then we have different appointment definitions. So for example, we might have 3 different people take an appointment. So we have specialist 1. There's the start time, the end time, increments in minutes. You can set up the appointments, and then you can block off certain times. Let's say for lunch I don't want to take any appointments, so I'm just going to kind of block those off so that they're not available in the inventory. Also, we could turn off the tabs. So I'm going to go ahead and say we already awarded the Toshiba TV, so I'm going to turn off the raffle, and then that deactivates that tab on the dashboard. You can incorporate QR codes into your trade show, and you can add them to your collateral and also on the signs as the attendees walk into the trade shows. There's additional revenue opportunities too. As any of the members, the people attending the trade show, purchase a mobile web app from us, we will pay 10% to the association. There's 2 different options. There's the Platinum plan, where the association purchases the mobile app from us, and then you start earning commissions immediately. And then there's also the free plan, which doesn't cost anything, but you don't start earning commissions until after 10 of the members or exhibitors upgrade to the dashboard. So you have 2 options. What do we have to do to get started? The association would announce it to the exhibitors that they have a free listing. We would train them on it, and then we provide collateral and videos detailing the service. So anybody who's interested will sign up, and then we provide reports back to the association. For more information, just dial this number or email us at sales@divmo.com.